Hi, welcome back to the channel. So, a quick film to answer all the questions, hopefully, that folk have asked about this rear pillion rack, where I got it. Well, I didn't get in the UK, I ordered it from India via a Raju Lux, who a lot of us in the UK have used and bought stuff from. Now, he supposedly only sells genuine Royal Enfield stuff, but I don't think this is a genuine rack. I'll show you why in a bit. However, it's fine, it works, it's great. And it was about £99 posted, and really quick service from the guy, really good comms from him. Wee bit sort of language barrier going on back and forward, but we got there in the end. It doesn't actually want PayPal, and I think that's because of the US dollar exchange with India. So imagine credit cards probably the way to go. He had to accept my PayPal in the end. That's where we had a bit of dialogue back and forward. But use a credit card and you're also guaranteed. Lots of folk have used this guy and he seems genuine enough. So I'm going to run some of the original film of fitting the rack, and then I'm going to show you what I did to it when I painted the bike army green. Okay, so here we go. Hi again and welcome back. So a wee quick update. As you know, I've fitted pannier racks once I got the bike home from New, hours after I got it home. And I wanted a rear rack as well. I removed the pillion seat, don't need that. That and the subframe, I got rid of that. So yeah, a rear rack is currently unavailable in the UK. However, via the Facebook UK Owners Group page, rack was ordered from India. It was £98 including delivery to Scotland, UK, and it arrived 9 days later, which is surprisingly quick. So I got it unpacked yesterday and soon had it on the bike. It's quite quick to fit. You just loosen the two top shock mounts with 17mm spanners. The rear of it was a bit tight to mount up to the frame, so I just used two T-drivers and lever it open a bit and then used them to align the bolt holes. Well, the rear just slots into the bolts. The original 200mm frame bolt, as you can see, is just a bit too long, so I've used M10 nuts and spacers to tighten it up, and I've ordered a 165 M8 bolt on eBay, which will finish the job. It's a nice looking rear rack, and it'll be good. So with the right length bolt in, that was it all done, and rather just have to take that bolt out that secures the rack to get my seat on and off if I ever have to do it. I made a modification to my seat, and you can see here in the film when I rebuilt the bike how I did that. So next job is get the grinder out, do a wee quick mod to my saddle, and then it'll slot into those two holes there. You can see the notches there that I've cut out, so I'll just give them a quick spray paint to stop the rust. So now the saddle just needs to be slotted in at the front, and then you just push the two springs inwards and just stick them over the rubber mounts, and then you just got your one nut and bolt on the front mount, and that's the saddle on and off a lot quicker and easier now with the springs too for show. So I think that's a lot easier idea than mucking around with the rear bolt as well, interfering with all the rack and stuff. Just the one nut and bolt now on the front mount there, and that's our saddle all done, easy peasy. So that was 7 months ago, and bike's been outside all winter. Now you'll see here the powder coating's breaking, there's a bit of rust underneath, and that's a telltale sign to me of aftermarket, non-genuine Royal Enfield stuff. I'm going by my silencer, which is very rusty. So I can solve that by getting it powder coated, which I'll probably just get done when I get these bars done as well, which are chrome underneath. But for now, there you go. Hope that's all the info that you can sort out your own one with. Thanks for watching. See you again all soon. Bye for now.